Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate Canva with Typeform. First, we need to open Zapier. Once there, click on Create. In that, click on Zaps. It will take a moment to load. After that, click on Trigger. Then in the search menu, select Typeform. You will now see the Trigger Event option. Go ahead and choose a trigger event. Then click on Continue. In the form, select a value of your choice and then click on Continue. Next, click on Test Trigger. Then you'll see Continue with Selected Record. Go ahead and click it. Then search for the Canva app. Once you've found Canva, click on it and choose an event that you want. Then click on Continue. Select a type based on your needs. It will take a moment to load, then choose a name. After that, click on Continue. Then select the test setup. It will take a moment to load again, and finally click on Publish. And that's how to integrate Canva with Typeform. Thank you for watching.